channel, I'm Jordan with 9 to 5 Cruisers. Packing is an essential part of the cruising experience. I've compiled my techniques, tips, and recommendations into this video. Please enjoy and let's get started. So we're going on a 7-night cruise, which means I will need an outfit for each night. So here I am just packing up some dresses, some skirts, and then a little technique that I like to do is just roll up the thinner pieces just because you are able to fit more inside the packing cube. Next I have some port day outfits and then just some lounging around clothes. So I've found that using packing cubes has definitely helped keep our stuff organized during travel, and especially when they come in different sizes, it comes in handy. Also bringing 3 bathing suits, 2 bottoms, 2 tops, and then a 1-piece. For the last packing cube, I just have 2 sets of pajamas and a purse for dinner. And then I have 2 pairs of shoes, 1 for dinner every night, and then 1 for sea days and port days. Now I'm going to go through a few items really quick that we've found that we cannot cruise without. I hope you guys enjoyed our first ever packing video. Love to hear your guys' recommendations, packing tips and tricks, or even some items you can't cruise without down below in the comments. Make sure to follow us over on Instagram at 9 to 5 Cruisers. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button on your way out. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.